Hello, I'm Marielis with WTI and I'm very happy to show you this cute Winnie Pooh Figural light. Children will love it, and for those of us who are no longer children but love these classic cartoons, it also works. It is an adorable figural light perfect for decorating your room or your desk. It has a warm and soft light. Something that I also like about it, and I find it very practical, is that if you decided to use it to go to sleep like me, you can program it to be on for only 30 minutes or 60 minutes. After that, it turns off by itself, which is very cool, especially if we don't want it to last all night, and it also serves to save the battery. It is a cartoon figure. It doesn't have that childish appearance that could stand out from the aesthetics of the decoration, but rather it is soft and delicate. It's lightweight, so I can take it everywhere, and it's made of plastic, so if I drop up, it won't break. It is so convenient if it is going to be in a child's room, because being made of plastic, the chances of it being damaged are less. Look like you this is, and that's my point of view.